Hello friends, it's been a long time. So in the video technological and basically I have been an Android user, precisely a Samsung user for more than 10 years. And now I have kind of stepped into the Apple ecosystem with one of the most powerful Apple devices in the market. So adukku yen edukku and reviews and experiences எல்லாமே இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்க போறோம். So let's go. Yeah. The iPad Pro. Due to the worldwide chip shortages, it was hard finding an iPad and we had to roam hundreds of kilometers and visit different stores. The unboxing experience was really great. It felt premium. It was quite simple. Got the iPad, few authentication paperwork and stickers, and a 20-watt charging brick as well as the C-type to C-type charging cable. And the pencil was simple. It just had the pencil and a few authentication paperwork. And that's it. Here you go. As a student myself, I really love being in the Android space. You know, most of India most of us have Android phones, Windows laptops, and sharing files, photos, videos ரொம்ப easy comfortable. It doesn't mean that Apple share பண்றது hard. Most in the file compatibility தான் ரொம்ப பிரச்சனையா இருக்கும், and you might fall into a few hiccups and struggles between sharing a few files, videos especially. Why an iPad Pro? Well, as I told you previously, this is one of the most powerful Apple devices in the market right now. Simple as சொன்னா, இந்த iPadல chip வந்து M1 Apple Silicon chip. இது வந்து Apple owner design பண்ண and produce பண்ண chip இது. So basically, this chip is being used in one of the most powerful iMac Apple computers and even in few of the MacBook Pros. The M1 chip is actually coming with an 8-core GPU and 8-core CPU, so complete up 16-core neural engine.
Wow!
Main advantage nu pata, it is future proof. So if you are looking to buy something and use it for like 5-10 years maybe, it is a really great advantage. Chip will actually help you keep your software well optimized. Unga battery life nalla irukum even for the long term. Even future la vara high tech, high performing games and even video editing softwares, or whether it is drawing, Photoshop linde ellame well optimized and some of smooth, some of flawless work even in the long run. So ipo the next big question, data transfer eppadi panna mudiyum, problem varuma, file compatibility edavadhu problem varuma appdinu paatha, all the latest iPads come with the C-type charging port and not the lightning connector, which is one of the greatest advantage. Nama Android phone madri C-type port use agudhu, combined with the Thunderbolt technology, which actually boosts up data transferring speeds. So ninga normally C-type adapter which you could actually use your hard disk or mouse or keyboard, or even if you have a C-type USB or C-type SSD, you could actually transfer data in just fraction of second. Big advantage of the iPad Pros. So the next major reason to buy an iPad is the Apple Pencil. If you like drawing or taking notes on your tablet, or if you're a professional artist, the Pencil is a really great combination to go along with your iPad. You know, the build quality, the materials used, the form factor, the weight distribution, everything is really amazing. It feels solid and the tip is really great. It actually feels like a professional pencil when you're drawing any kind of sketches or just taking an occasional notes or anything. Feels professional and it feels expensive. The only disadvantage of this Apple Pencil is you have to buy it separately. Separately vaangano, idu iPad thaniya vaangittu idu Apple Pencil thaniya vaangano, it actually costs like about an extra $190, which is slightly expensive, but yeah. Now coming to the cameras, you're gonna get dual camera on the back. So you're going to get a wide angle and an ultra wide angle camera. 12 megapixel for the wide, it's the main lens, and a 10 megapixel ultra wide angle which actually helps you get 0.5 degree photos. You even get a LiDAR scanner which actually helps you map your entire room or measure objects more precisely, and it actually helps if you're something of an engineer, which I am myself. Front camera which actually can shoot 0.5 degree wide, ultra wide angle photos, and you even get the iPhone level Face ID, which is the same as the iPhone and just really secure and really well built onto the iPad, and you literally can't see it's actually over here. And along with the video you could have seen the Face ID technology blinking. So let's talk specifications. One of the main things I like about this iPad Pro is its fabulous display. ஆமாம், இந்த டிஸ்பிளேல வந்து உங்களுக்கு 120 Hz டிஸ்பிளே கிடைக்கும் and 600 nits வரைக்கும் brightness போகும். So which is one of the most brightest displays for 11-inch tablet in the market. You actually could get 1000 nits on the XDR display, which you will only get on the 12.9-inch iPad, but I felt it quite big. எனக்கு வந்து அந்த 12.9-inch iPad கொஞ்சம் ரொம்பவே பெருசாக ஃபீல் ஆச்சு. எனக்கு என் கைக்கு it was uncomfortable, so I got 11 inches, which is a really great. With that, you get a great, wonderful set of cameras. You get 5G capabilities if you get the cellular version, and you get Wi-Fi 6, which is one of the most fastest Wi-Fi tech in the industry. You get 4 speakers, literally you have 1, 2, 3, 4, which actually give you a surround sound experience. So that is the greatest of its industry. And yeah, one more thing, since you actually have sticked on to my entire video, here's a few tips and tricks and advices to get your next tablet, phone or laptop. So the first thing is size. Well, before getting your devices online or just going to the shopkeeper and asking for what model you want, be sure to check the size of what device you're going to buy on the demo area. Because இப்போ என் situationலயே பார்த்தா I have the 12.9 inches iPad Pro as well, but என் hand sizeக்கு வந்து I felt this as the perfect fit, and the iPad 12.9 inch version felt very big and heavy, and it was kind of uncomfortable for me to hold, and it always gave me the fear that I might actually drop it one day. So be sure to check and buy the phone or the tablet with the perfect size. iPhone irundhalum seri, iPad irundhalum seri, get the right size, because you get the same features on both the displays, both the size displays. Only thing that's going to change is the battery and the display size, obviously. The next thing is the processor. As I told you previously, getting the best processor means a future-proof device. You could use it for like 5, 7 or 10 years, because the future games and the graphics and everything which is going to be improved would actually be compatible. For example, the iPad Air, which is the present iPad Air, which was a 2020 model, runs on the A14 chip, which is kind of the chip used in the iPhone 12 series. It does not mean that it is a slow device. It is one of the most powerful as well in terms of benchmarks and usability. But you actually still have to think if you're a person using for a longer term, especially whether it would handle the future updates or play future intensive graphic games. Then the next thing is storage. Keep it as your daily driver. You would actually choose the 256 and above, because the 64 GB version, especially in the iPad Air and Mini, are completely useless in my experience, because all the apps and எல்லா வீடியோஸ் மூவிஸ்லேருந்து எல்லாமே வந்து 1 GB 2 GB மேலே தான் இருக்குது இப்போலாம். So it will be hard having a hard disk along with your tablet. So I went for the 256 GB. So the final tip is, why are you choosing this device? If you are someone who just wants to watch a movie or use your tablet for regular classwork, notes, or just regular sketches or something, you could actually choose the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series. It's actually releasing this month, brand new and fastest and the most powerful tablet series in the entire Android industry, coming up with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. Advantage is you might get the S Pen along with the tablet in the box itself. It will actually save a lot of bucks for you if you're not interested in the artistic. If you're someone who's actually finding a tablet with really great video editing softwares, full version of Photoshop and Lightroom, and apps like Procreate and Autodesk Sketchbook for professional grade artistic works and animation, hands down my only recommendation would be the iPad Pro. Combined with its powerful chipset, this is the best tablet for you. So thank you all for watching my entire video, and hope you found this video useful as a student, as a long-term Android user. Moving on to the Apple ecosystem, these were all my things here, and this was my honest review. These are the things that I actually look forward to while getting the next electronic device. So be sure to check all of those, and stay tuned to my channel by subscribing, because more such amazing vlogs related to technology, travel, and even some comedy skits are coming up soon. I'm excited to share all of those with you guys. So stay tuned, like this video, and comment what more questions you want to be cleared out in the future. And as always, see you in my next video. Bye bye.